Hello, welcome back. I might look little different, like because I have no base on my face. I just did little eye makeup for my video and also for some amazing TikTok. And if you're not following me on TikTok or Musically, I will link my ID down bar, so you can please go and check. So I'm in total different attire. This western sweatshirt and Indian jewelries, this nose ring. So yeah, today
doesn't even know guitar, how to play guitar. I really want to learn guitar. I love guitar. Alright.
So I recently went to Miniso MGF mall. इस टाइम वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कुछ डिफरेंट चीज़ें थी, लाइक मेकअप में मुझे कुछ डिफरेंट दिखा एंड ऑल्सो हाउस होल्ड थिंग एंड मुझे गिव अवे करना था. सो आई थॉट कि लेट मी चेक टू मिनिसो ऑल्सो. एक्चुअली आई एम कलेक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर यू गाइज. अभी आई एम नॉट श्योर कि कितने विनर्स होंगे, क्या प्रोटोकॉल्स होंगे, बट आई एम श्योर कि गिव अवे होगा. आई एम कलेक्टिंग थिंग्स. सो या प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल गाइज इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब एंड यू वॉच माई वीडियोज़. अच्छा नहीं लगता यार आप वीडियो देखते हो और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. जस्ट एक हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. छोटा सा साइड में रेड बटन है, सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट आइटम दैट आई वांट टू शो इट टू यू गाइज इज दिस pretty bottle zipper. Actually it is so damn pretty. It's all marble print and I frippin love marble prints. It's written pretty over here. So it is this bottle. It's size with a zipper. इसमें it's 420 ml. गर्मियाँ आ रही हैं, so grab it before it goes out of stock. Second is this pink color. It's all pink nail paint, pink this, everything is pink. Even you can see the flamingo at back, it's pink. So my room's theme is pink, black and white. So yeah. So I got one liner from the cosmetic range. This is this. मैंने खोल लिया इसको. गाइस प्राइस मुझे याद नहीं रहेंगे, आप प्लीज़ यू कैन गो एंड चेक द स्टोर. शायद 190, आई एम नॉट श्योर. 190. दैट zippers फॉर 300 approximately. Yeah, so it is like a sketch pen. So it's like a sketch pen. It's very nice, waterproof. You can see that. So I got two of them. One is for the gifting purpose. Then I got these two amazing perfumes. Oh my god, they smell so good, so good. And another is the men's collection. Then I have this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful set. It's all eye brushes. Look at that. It's all crystal, man. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I cannot open it. It's for gift as well. Yeah, I cannot open it. I'm so sorry. Then these are my favorite unicorn. See, it's all pink. It's again the eye brush. You should definitely have a lot of eye brushes. बहुत काम आते हैं eye brushes यार. तो मैंने सुना रिसेंटली काफ़ी अच्छे नेल पेंट्स निकाले हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे कलर्स निकाले हैं इनफैक्ट, बट उनके नेल पेंट सारे पील ऑफ होते हैं. सो थोड़ा सा ड्रॉबैक है, बट बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि आपके नेल्स को कोई हार्म नहीं होता. और ओके, देन आई गॉट दिस कार्ड होल्डर. इट्स इन लाइट ब्लू कलर.
You're at the table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces, and she clean it with her face, but you love your baby.
Then I got these beautiful nail paints. Okay. They are so pretty, so beautiful. Oh my god, I really want to try this. Let me try this. One is for gift, and I'm opening it. I'm opening my nail paint. I'm so tired. I've been shooting videos back to back.
Money need a hearing aid. They talking about you, you don't see the shade. Switch up your style, you take any lane. Switch up your cup to kill any pain.
Then I have this beautiful pink chunk. It is so damn pretty, man. It's beautiful and I cannot wait to try this. I have this, wow, I have this beautiful blue color. This is for gift as well. When I mean gift, it means giveaway. So this is the color. I cannot open this. So yeah, I hope that's all. So that's all for the haul. It was a short video, and please subscribe. Go and check the store, guys. I'm sure that you will love all the products, and I'll see you super soon. Subscribe, like, and do comment if you want me to do any kind of videos. So please do let me know.